Just called to say I love you. Whoa, 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 stop. Hang on, wait. Listen, I will be making a cocktail in this video. But first, I want to explain why I'm wearing these sunglasses. And no, I'm not trying to pull a Casey Neistat, even though I probably should, because it seems to be working out pretty well for him. No, I actually woke up a couple of days ago with some kind of allergic reaction, so my eyes are super irritated, swollen and puffy. So I kind of feel and look like shit. But hey, the show must go on. And just because I feel like it, let's make a Black Manhattan. This cocktail was created in 2005 by Todd Smith while he was working at Bourbon and Branch in San Francisco. We've actually had quite a few people order it lately at my bar, so I thought I'd show you how to make it. It is essentially a Manhattan where you substitute the sweet vermouth for Averna. So if you know how to make a Manhattan, you don't have to watch this video anymore. Bye. Or, wait, hang on. You could hang out for a little bit longer, and while you're at it, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so usually when I make my Manhattans, I use rye whiskey. Today, I'm gonna use bourbon, and I'm using Michter's bourbon because I like it a lot. And then the key ingredient is Averna. Averna is an Amaro, and an Amaro is a bittersweet liqueur from Italy. Amaro actually means bitter in Italian. It's basically an herbaceous bitter liqueur. Then I'll be doing 1 dash of Angostura Bitters and 1 dash of Orange Bitters. And that's that. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, we're gonna start with the Angostura and the Orange Bitters. 1 ounce of Averna. And 2 ounces of your whiskey. Take 69. See what I did there? All right, let's have a sip. How do you like my garnish, by the way? It's pretty cool, right? And I know, take it easy out there. I'm sure there's plenty of people saying, oh, there's no orange peel in a Black Manhattan. And you're right, there's not. Tell me this doesn't look cool. Anyway, okay, the cocktail. Yes, I think this is a great little Manhattan variation. It's richer than a regular Manhattan. It's sweeter than a regular Manhattan. I mean, obviously depending on what specs you do and what sweet vermouth you usually use. The Averna is sweeter because it's a liqueur, but it also brings like bitter chocolate notes, bitter orange. So overall, I think this is a really interesting little twist on a Manhattan. And if you haven't had it, you should definitely try it. I can see myself going down to the pool, sitting in the sun, sipping on this. Maybe not. But how about bringing it out on the porch, watching the sunset? All right, that's it for this week. I'll catch you on the flip side. Cilantro? Somebody help me. How do you say it? Cilantro.